Did you know Apple doesn't actually build iPhones? One of the world's most valuable companies owns almost no iPhone factories. Most people imagine Apple assembling every iPhone itself, but that's not how the company works. Apple designs every part of the experience: the hardware, the software, the custom chips, even the smallest details. But designing a product and manufacturing millions of them are two very different businesses. So Apple partners with manufacturers like Foxconn. These factories build millions of iPhones, using Apple's designs and quality standards. Every device is assembled with precision at massive scale. That lets Apple invest more in innovation, software, and product design. Marketing and building one of the world's strongest ecosystems. Apple doesn't own the factory, it owns the customer's trust. That's the strategy behind Apple. See you inside companies.